Well, howdy there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had to do a lesson on a song called Closing Time by a gentleman called Havelin, Havelin. I hope that's the right pronunciation. I'm in standard tuning and I have a capo on the 3rd fret, puts us into the same key as Havelin does this particular song in. Okay. I'm going to go through the intro, first verse, first pre-chorus and first chorus for you, then I shall break it all down, show you exactly how I played it. The only other thing in the song that you need to learn is a very small bridge section after the 2nd chorus, and we'll come back to that later. Okay, so singing as usual for reference only. Here we go. Well, I found myself in the city amidst its pretty lights, and I told my friends I was waiting on a train. The truth is I don't know where I slept last night. Now it's too early to say goodbye, and it's nowhere close to closing time. Don't walk out on me, I've got this feeling that something's there. Don't leave me sitting in the street, I know something in your bed, so you can stay, my dear. And so on again, 2nd verse. Okay, get the idea. Right, let's break that down for you. Okay, right, so it starts off, a lot of this song is G's, C's, in a sort of unusual format. So the first chord I'm playing is a form of G, 3rd finger is playing the second string on the 3rd fret, okay, B string, 3rd fret. My 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the bottom E string, just those two, and I am playing from 6 down to 2. I'm not trying to hit the top E string. I'm trying to avoid the top E string, okay? Right, so, and the sequence is you hit the bass note, some strums, okay? And then what you do with your 1st finger, you fret the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string, and you hammer up to the 3rd fret with your 2nd finger. So the 2nd finger comes off the bottom E string and goes, okay, like that. So it's, and you strum with that shape, with this 3rd fret of the 5th string fretted, and keeping this finger on the 3rd fret of the B string all the time. Okay. So, and then that's repeated. Okay, so it's. So I'll slow it right down for you. Okay, and you do that 3 times, and then there's another one of those, but a quick one. Okay, so I'll just show you that in slow motion. Okay. So you do 3 normal ones and then a quick one, okay? Okay, then we go into the verse, and the verse is the same sort of thing as the intro. Well, I found myself in the city. Again, it's that. So, so that's C, G to C hammer, right? Okay. Found myself in the city, amidst its pretty lights. Okay, and at that point the song changes. Okay, so we'll just do the intro on those two lines to start with. Okay, so here comes the intro. Well, I found myself in the city, amid its pretty lights. Okay, and at that point we make it a C added ninth by keeping the third on the fifth and this finger planted, okay, on the second string on the third fret, and we add the first finger to the second fret of the fourth string, the D string, make it a C added ninth, and that's the line that goes, and I told my friends I was waiting on the train. Okay, so you come out of that, found myself in, sorry, it's got it wrong. Found myself in the city, midst its pretty lights. Told my friends I was waiting on the train. Truth is I don't know where I slept last night. Okay, so that I told my friends that C added ninth all the way along the line. I told my friends I was waiting on the train. And then we go back to the bouncing from C to G bit. Okay, so truth is I don't know where I left last night. Okay, same as the intro and the first part of the verse. Okay, so let's get as far as there, shall we? So, so it's well, I found myself in the city, amidst its pretty lights. See, at night I told my friends I was waiting on the train. The truth is I don't know where I slept last night. Then we go back to the C added ninth again for the first part of the pre-chorus. Now it's too early to say goodbye. Okay, okay, so I put that finger back in again on the C shape. Now it's too early to say goodbye. Bounce. Okay, that back to one of those, G to C, back again. But this time we go to the F sharp on the bottom E string. We drop it to the second fret after the G. Progression down, okay, second fret, bottom E string, and then back to the C added ninth again, and it's nowhere close to closing time. Right, so coming out of the end of the verse where it goes, and the I'll go from the told my friends bit, okay? I told my friends I was waiting on the train. The truth is I don't know where I slept last night. Now it's too early to say goodbye. And it's nowhere close to closing time. Got that? And then coming out of that closing time, it's the usual one: G, hammer, G, quick hammer, and then G again. Do that slowly. Same as the bit in the intro before you start singing. Okay, Right, and then we're going into the chorus, okay? So let's just go through everything so far. So that's the intro and the first verse and the pre-chorus, okay? A bit slowly, okay? Alright, let's get ready. Here we go. Right, here we go. Well, I found myself in the city amidst its brilliance, and I told my friends I was waiting on a train. The truth is I don't know where I slept last night. Now it's too early to say goodbye, and it's nowhere close to closing time. Okay, now we go into the chorus. Now we play like an E minor 7th. So I'm playing first finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string. Second finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and you're keeping that finger exactly where it was. Okay, 3rd fret, B string, 2nd string. Okay, and that's don't walk, C added 9th, both. Oh, so it's don't walk out on me to the G. Okay, so it's E minor 7th, so the C added 9th to the G. Just the 2 fingers on the G there, 3rd on the bottom E string, and that one staying put. Okay, so go for that. Don't walk out on me. Repeat. I've got this feeling there's something here. And again. Don't leave me sitting in the street. Now at that point on the 4th line of the chorus, we do the rundown to the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. So it goes that don't leave me sitting in the street. I know there's again E minor 7, something in your C added 9th head saying G, stay my dear. Okay, so the whole chorus so far. Okay, here we go. Don't walk out on me. I've got this feeling that there's something here. Don't leave me sitting in the street. I know there's something in your head saying stay my dear. And the other thing now is the whoa bits, okay, which are the same as the 3 chords that do the chorus rather. The E minor 7th, C added 9th to G, okay. Then we do a couple of the. Okay, so it's a bum, hammer, just like the intro. Then we start another verse. So we stood on the edge, so we stood on the edge of the street. That bit again, okay? So it's the same as the first verse, basically, okay? So that's it. So we've now got the chorus underway, okay? So let's do the whole thing, slowly, okay? Ish. Here we go, from the beginning, the whole thing so far that we've done. Right, here we go, I've got to get into it. Well, I found myself in the city, amidst the pretty lights, and I told my friends I was waiting on a train. The truth is I don't know where I slept last night. Now it's too early to say goodbye, and it's nowhere closing time. Don't walk gut feeling there's something here. Don't leave me sitting in the street. Oh, sorry, let's do it again. Don't leave me sitting in the street. I know there's something in your head saying, stay my dear. Whoa, another verse. Okay, you got the idea. Right, so the only other thing to show you really on this one is the bridge section, which when you've done another couple of verses and you've gone through the pre-chorus and chorus again, you come into the whoa whoa bit, okay, and you do a couple of them, sort of, so and you go to C added ninth, but I haven't slept like I G did last night. So C added ninth, a lonely got time. C to G, C to G, okay? C added ninth to G, C added ninth to G, okay? So coming out that whoa, but I haven't slept like I did that night. Lonely got time. City lights don't feel like the same without you. Now, well, that last line is it's C added ninth. The city lights don't feel the same at all. Or is D. Okay, there's a D, a quick D in it. So it's city lights don't feel all the same. Oh, sorry, city lights don't feel at all without you by my side. So it's D to E minor, and then back to the C added ninth again, by my side, by my side. And I think then goes into another two choruses. So it ends up on that by my side, then back into another chorus. Don't walk out on me. But that bridge section, let's do it again. So C added ninth. I haven't slept like I G did last night. The lonely got time. The city lights don't feel all without you. Got that? City, I'll get the timer right on this. The city lights don't feel the same at all without you by my side, by my side. Then it goes back into the chorus. That sort of thing. Okay. Sorry about that, it's a bit loose, but if you listen to the record, play along with the record, I'm sure you'll get it, okay? So basically it's just one more time for the bridge, okay? Coming out the whoa whoa bits, okay? But I haven't slept like I did that night. Lonely your time. The city lights don't feel the same at all without you by my side, by my side. And so on, okay? You get the idea. Just play along with the record and I'm sure it'll fit. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video.